Hi everyone, this is Lucel Atok from the School of Technology and Computer Study, BSCS 1A. And for today's video, we are going to execute the conditional statement in C programming. So in the given task of fundamentals of programming, our activity is we're going to make a C program that asks the users to enter two numbers. Then get the total and display I love my parents. So if the sum is more than or equal to 25, otherwise display I will never give up, and show which number is greater and lower. So here are the sample outputs. Enter the two numbers, which is 10 and 13. Then the total of these two is 23. Then I love my parents. Then the greater number is 13 and the lower number is 10. So what we're going to do is we are going to make a C program. So let's start. So as you can see in the screen, I am using a online C compiler. So let's start. So first is you can use a comment for the documentation. So I will put my name. So I will use a single line comment. Atok AG Lucel. BSCS 1A. Then a slash again, double slash. Then we are going to start our program, which should be first is the header file. So tag include we're going to start with hashtag include stdio.h. Then of course our main function. Second is our main function. Int main, then open and close parentheses. Then of course the bracket sign, which should be open and close. First open and then close for that. Then we are going to, next is we're going to enter the two number and num1, then num2, comma, then total of the two, total. So we're going to do the execution part. So I'm going to use the printf. So printf, then a semicolon and a quotation mark, then enter the first number. So of course I am using a printf, so therefore I should also use scanf. Then again %d, put %d, then a comma after that, then add num1, then a semicolon. Then we're going just to repeat it for the second number. Second number. percent %d again, then comma, and num2. Then we're going to put the total equals the num1 plus the num2. Of course, to be able to get the total, we should add the num1 and num2. Then a semicolon. After that, we are going to apply the conditional statement. So, if the total of the two numbers, so total, we're gonna put total percent of two numbers is greater than or equal to 25, so as we said, printf %d caps lock, then put I love my parents, then put total on it, then if it is not, we are going to use the word else. So print f so if the total of the number is not greater than 25, we're going to use the conditional statement. So else printf %d I will never give up. Then total. Oh, sorry. So as the given said, that we should also determine what is the lowest and the greatest numbers. So by doing that, we should use again the conditional system. So as we see in the given, that we should also determine the lower number and the higher number. So we're going to use again the conditional statement. So we're going to put if 10 is less than 13, so we're going to put a closing and open and closing parenthesis. If 10 is less than 13, then printf Then put 10 is a lower number. Then, of course, if 13 is greater than 10, is greater than 10, then print F 13 is a great number. Then, of course, for the last touch is return 0. So we already. So guys, we will try to run our creative program. So let's try to run it. So as you can see here, there is a text that said enter the first number. So our first number is 10. Then the second number is 13. Then enter. So the total is 23. So it displayed that I will never give up. Then 10 is a lower number and 13 is a great number. And then the program is finished. So that's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching.